Oh crap, baby. Hello and welcome back to Vanilla and Company. This is Vanilla and I'm Amy. Today we're continuing our Vlogmas journey and setting up our little Christmas town. I've been excited to set this up for over a year now. We got this little town at Hobby Lobby after Christmas, so I didn't even bother setting it up. So today that is what we will be doing. So this is what I got at Hobby Lobby. So here's the porcelain village that I have. It comes covered in snow. It's all white, but we're gonna add some color to it with other things. We've also got these little deer from Target that we'll be putting up. Some glitter snow from Target. And these little lanterns from Walmart. I only bought 2 for now because I wasn't sure what it would look like. But if I like it, I might get more. So as far as where I'm putting it, I'm just putting it on top of my piano. It's in the corner of my living room. I'm putting the Christmas tree on the other corner. So I think this will help balance it out. I'm gonna try to see if I can vary the elevation of the different buildings a little bit. I saw that on Pinterest and I'm gonna try to do it with like a shoebox or something. Let's see if we can get a little creative. quick, look who else just woke up so she can also say hello.